Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Shane. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. Pick up on yourself, bless up on yourself. How to do, I got how things are life. Yeah, my loves. I remember the girl backup channel Trending Buzz Network. Remember if I go over there, I show me some support over there, alright? Yes, my dear Charena. Yes, my love. So you know for the whole holiday, I'm busy. You know, it's the Easter season and the whole work. So me there Galilee, me there Gethsemane, me there Bethlehem, me there Jerusalem. But they all over the place, my love. All of the streets, them where Jesus walked, my loves, was there. Yes, my dear children. Chin and Agnes was there. Then, so Jesus never know Jamaica. Only them the part that Jesus ain't go. No little Jamaica. Not even US, me no see in the Bible say Jesus got US. Me see Israel, me see Egypt. Me see look like Jesus never have no visa for go US. But I don't see one thing about US in the Bible or Jamaica, Canada, England and them place there. Europe, Haiti, none of the Caribbean island them. Anyways, my love, me use the holiday season and me go visit. Go visit my love, me go look if me see Mary, Joseph, most of all, my dear children, most of all, me want to see Judas. Most of all, I wanted to see Judas, my loves. Because I have a writ against Judas. If it wasn't for Judas, beloved, Jesus would have never got through all of them something, yeah. Say him gone up and cross for people's sins. All of we would have to go bear we own a penalty for we own our sins them. Him would have never have to go up and cross for the whole of our sins, beloved, and somehow we not deserve it. Well, none of us not deserve it. All of we should have pay we own a penalty. But because of you, Judas go spot out them and say, see me, yeah. And Mr. God said, all right, Jesus, all right. Me I go just use you as a sacrifice for their sin. And I did want to say, Mr. God, to me love, so I could have convinced him. I said, do not take your good child. Do not take your good pitney. You understand me, Mr. God? Do not take your good child. Go make him dead for nobody's sin, because he is sinless and he is perfect. Make the whole of we galang up the pan the cross for we own ourselves. Make the whole of we bear we own a burden. But I never see a sign of Mr. God, my love. I never see a sign of Mr. God. So, my dear children, me couldn't prevent it. You understand? Me go look, I don't see a sign of nobody. I couldn't prevent it. Look where Jesus have to go through for we. Look where Jesus have to go through for we, and look how we there appear him, my loves. My loves, look how we there appear him. He unfair, man, he unfair. No, my loves, me say me this a step back here. This a step back here now, my loves. Say me a Agnes, you understand? I go get little rest. Go sleep and come back on town about the experience the way we have done at Egypt, Gethsemane, Galilee, and Jerusalem and Bethlehem, my loves. Only now, my dear children, fi come back up and one piece of commotion out here. One piece of halabaloo. I turn to Agnes and say, Agnes, you see what me attack? You see when me attack Agnes? Only if me did see Mr. God and see Mr. Jesus and Judas and the whole of them. Then Mr. Jesus wouldn't have to go through them a sin thing, my love. Mr. Jesus wouldn't have to go through them a sin thing. And them do ever respect Mr. Jesus enough to say, you know what? It was during this time period when him go on the cross, go die for our sins. Make we just respect him and not do no sin today. Not do no farmer sin today. Make we just relax. Them don't consider the man, my love. Never consider the man, me say. Every crevice and corner me turn out here, my love, I be nice. Be nice. Me say, my love, from Lady D, God, the Paris, them yard. I don't know what kind of handsness and what kind of wasness go rake up, my love, but everybody come out. Everybody come out chanting and chanting. Some all a chat fire, my love, for what? I don't know. Anyways, my dear children, a long time me no see Queen Bee. Long time I don't see Queen Bee. I don't know if Queen Bee NDE are alive, my love, cause I never hear a word out here from Queen Bee. Never see nothing about Queen Bee. I must have 2 minutes ago Queen Bee yard. So last night, now me dear children, me a pass go somewhere. Pass me a pass go somewhere and see one video where Queen Bee do a roast the planka them me love. Just a roast the plankas me love. A roast out the plankas them backside. She said some of them not all of them. So me I said turn now then. I warrant now Queen Bee a roast the planka them for. Eh? Where the plankas them do to Queen Bee now that Queen Bee have you out here roast them so. And not just the source of plankers, them all the bloggers, them too. I say, turn. I say, hi. Imagine, they turn me back. They little turn me back. Go spend little time at Jerusalem and them, they place there. Me come back, I come back up and all kind of new Sinti. Me miss out pandemic Cynthia. So me say now then, if you like I say, me got to go find out, to see how where the bloggers and the planker then do to Queen Bee, that Queen Bee have to out here make so much noise. Anyhow, anyways, now, me dear children. When me search and search galang now down in a Queen Bee yard, me dear children. I get fi find out now me love say, there that do you know when Lady D did they don't have the Mr. Perry's them a do the clean up and so you understand me. She must have go up a Carol, you don't know Carol? Yes, me love, up a Carol place now, me dear children. Fi go get, you know, sheet and all kind of little knicks-knacks fi carry down a Mr. Perry. So now me love me get fi understand now that the Queen Bee lady she know how nothing go as usual. Queen Bee come out a contract and no get facts. We get used to that by now, me loves. So Queen Bee now come out here now me dear children no know how nothing come me get fi understand. And the parking now in the people business, my love, and right up Cynthia over the panel post. Must see I say now that if Carol couldn't donate some of this into them to Mr. Perry, them mellows. And I don't know how Carol find out me dear children. And Carol must have see it, my loves. And she know a lady did that a Carol, my loves, and lady did know must I did I have one conversation. And the argument go come up now with the post where Queen Bee have written over there, my loves. And the remarks them where Queen Bee did a pass. So Lady D now decide and say she need to go take it so. So she come out here now, my love, me get fi understand and address the Queen Bee woman. And make she know say she forget facts before she talk because you know Carol has always been donating to the planker shop, always been donating to the program. You don't know by now say naturally Queen Bee gonna get a proper piece of drape up out here. Queen Bee is going to get a proper piece of drape up out here, both by the bloggers and by the people that will pass over Queen Bee yard and see the post them. So she gonna get drape up by bloggers and commenters. Anyhow, at first, my love, if you like I say, Queen Bee never make nothing much of it, my love, because Queen Bee put out one next post say, she understands the Lady D have to come out in defense of her friend. And she wouldn't consider it a Lady D rub her out. Lady D just makes you know that, Carol has been donating all these years. So, in that post there, my dear children, she never take offense to nothing when Lady D did say. But somewhere down the line, my love, somewhere down the line, I don't know what trigger it. But somewhere down the line, Queen Bee tap a pass, my love, and turn back. And switch up her mouth. Yes, Queen Bee, you switch up your mouth. For you come back out again and I said the total opposite of what you did say in the initial post. I say, if you are Queen Bee gone up in her feelings, yeah, man. Queen Bee gone up in her feelings. Then Queen Bee, where you come out and now come provoke the people them for. And then bloggers are drape you up, commenters are drape you up. Are you up in her feelings? Are you provoke the people them, you know, Queen Bee? You provoke the people them, ma. So when you get your drape up, you have to take your drape up, my love. Take your drape up. And you can zip by yourself. So moving on now, my love, moving on. So as much as me tell that one the lily rest, you know, me dear children, me decide to say, you know, make this continue to check around the neighborhood and say, what really a galang, you make so much noise out here. For me, you know, can't believe enough for myself now, my dear children. That that video where Lady D do have the Perry's a cause the commotion out here. Him all kind of passa out here. Everybody and their mama and grandparents and great-grand ancestors have seen things for say, my loves. But my dear children between me, I don't know when me I visit the rest of the neighborhood, my loves. Me catch a glimpse of Cynthia. Me catch a glimpse of Cynthia when me see it, me I say, I never see smoke without fire. Then at this year make Queen Bee change her mind. This year now make Queen Bee come out and I say totally different from where she did say in the post. In the first post. A tea lady cause it. Tea lady you cause it. Family loves no know say all of this year couldn't galang and tea lady no dip down fear beak into it. Yes, my love, she did have a whole lot. She got a whole lot to say pertaining to the topic. So if you like I say a hit Queen Bee here, my love. A hit Queen Bee here, my dear children. So Queen Bee now come back out and sing a whole nether sanky. A whole nether sanky, my love. So the people them out here now, my dear children, nah, he's up on Queen Bee, man. Nah, he's up. Them a press gas. So that are the reason now me dear children for the video where she put out yesterday about the planka blaggers, my love. I get to the bottom of it, yes, my dear children. Only know me not tap and tap so till me reach to the bottom of it. You understand, my loves? Yes, my dear children. China Agnes, the village drawn out here. Anyways, though, you know, my love, me went on me merry way. And go book up past some of my neighbors, them, my dear children. Some are ball, some are cuss. Some a holla, some a cuss me see where the backside me come back up in now. Where the backside me come back up in my dear children. A good thing me a woman we can sight, you know me loves. Me say me love. When I shoot me head round a one corner there and take a peep, me love. What rock stone, what half a block, what boulders, what piece of two before me loves. I see all kind of sinting a fling. I see all kind of sinting a fling. Say backside. Smaddy now go make you out, yeah? Smaddy now go make you out, yeah? I'm sure all of them ya stone and boulders are half a block and two before ya we are fling. I go clot, Smaddy, me love. Somebody I go get clot. And me dear children, between me and no dog never have 7 puppy good. Dog never have 7 puppy good, me love. The word no drop out of me mouth good. The stone them start connect. The boulders them start connect, me loves. Some get cocoa. Some have concussion. Some catch all kind of swelling and inflammation in them behind whole me loves. All next year then time ya then still in a pain and agony me dear children. And no care how we want them me loves. No care how we want them I say uno leave the lady alone for when the woman come out here. When the woman come out here, she no have to come hard. All she have to do a fling couple blow. Fling couple blow. And the whole house no start kin over like no drink grammar to the zone. I no na hear. Uno na listen. Uno na take heed. When me look by the children, half of the lady fling this stone them. One of them out here torment so till. In right post, in do live. In right post, in do live. In do live, in right post, back to back, I go along so me loves. So me say about this, yeah, serious. He's serious, me dear children. So me say, you know what? Make her go back planka shop, go see why lady the over there fling them the breeder stone, them, me dear children. Hey, Uncle Bark, you know, me dear children. I be a barking uncle out here bark, you know. From this stone, them dash out uncle not tap bark. You don't know when they clock dog in a damn rib cage with Cinti, me dear children. You don't know that kind of balling Sunday when the dog ball out, me dear children, and take off. I that reach Uncle Curly in a film rib cage, my loves. All in a before day, my loves. All in a before day, this man in Uncle Curly out here par live. Uncle Curly come on par live after 12. I don't know what time he come after. I couldn't sit down for watch it. Them the hours they were Uncle should have taken little ibuprofen already, my love. Rub up with the tiger balm. Piscina and peel and spread the little piece of incontinent pad pan the bed so. You know, piss up this sheet, my loves. When him should have do all of them, they sit in there and go in bed, me dear children, Uncle Curly out here. In a pain, agony, a cuss out lady the backside when lady did the home relax. Boy, uncle, I feel your pain. I feel your pain, uncle, you go through it. If I look like I say, you get the most of the lick them. And you get the most of the lick them, everything when lady did fling out here, connect in you. For you are ball the loudest and you are ball the longest. But me no understand how no say. How no say when the woman say anything or do anything, you know, affect you no. And yet when he come out here, and he fling out his son, them no can't go for no bed, go lie down in a peace. You have sleepless night and a stress, all kind of depression, can't sleep in no bed comfortable. It's like for no bed, a bed of discomfort. It coming like I say, you afraid of for no bed, you can't go in there. But Lady D, you is very out of order to man. You is very out of order. You can't tell the people them say them are no star, them are pepper light lady. Or the backside Lady D, you have to tell the people them say them are no stars, them are pepper light. Eh? Them are not even pepper light. Eh? Say them out here go like them a star, and when you check it out, them a pepper light. Lady D, you out of the man, that would have bought me too. That would have bought me too. How dare you see me out here and shine so much? As you look up in the skies at night time, you see me cock up right beside the big dipper up there. And you are going to call me pepper light, mama. Would I feel away to Lady D? I would have feel away. You is very hot of other Lady D. You is very hot of other man. And the worst part of it, you know, Lady D, the worst part of it now, and I like you know say Uncle Heart no good, you know, Lady D, you know that Uncle Heart having the pan constant monitoring all the time. Uncle Heart is not 100. Sometimes it a beat half rhythm. You understand the half beat. So sometimes we beat like a drum. One other minute we a go like a guitar. The next minute it a go like a keyboard. Sometimes it a go like tambourine. And the other minute it a go like a shaker. So Lady D, you know that Uncle Heart is not stable. It is all over the place. And you come out and know Lady D. I make the woman know say she a no star. Him know you never call her name, but she pick it up. She feel like a she, cause she come out and go like I say, she a movie star and she a celebrity. Lady D, you have to remember, Lady D, you have to be considerate sometime, Lady D. For your heart 100 years, but not everybody heart 100. Eh? Uncle Heart is very feeble out here and can manage certain things. And when you come out and now come talk about pepper light and all these things, the heart might just give way upon her. You understand me? You understand me, Lady D? Because the amount of stone and cinti where you fling out here, I don't understand how so much connect in a she. Me ratted the whole of the cap them fit, Uncle, my love. And this you call one size fit all. Uncle creep up everything and run with it. I say, a she. Massive father. Hey, me dear children, you see how when Lady D go say enough of them over here. Feel like them a celebrity. Movie star. Actress. I say, yes, Jesus. Yes, Jesus. I see somebody named Panda Stone there. Me see somebody named Panda half a black there. So my question, who are the Julia Roberts out here and the Jennifer Lopez? I wish one of them out here, the Julia Roberts and the Jennifer Lopez and the Jennifer Lopez Mills. May have a feeling who are the Wendy Williams. I have a feeling who is the Wendy Williams wannabe out here. I have a very, very strong feelings. Who the wannabe Wendy Walters? I mean Wendy Williams. Wendy Williams. I made a mistake. I said Wendy Walters. But I have a very strong feeling who the wannabe Wendy Chin. Lord have mercy, me mouth keep on asleep. The wannabe Wendy Walters. I don't know what going with me head today. They wanna be Wendy Williams. They wanna be Wendy Williams. I don't know why my mouth keep on asleep. But I have a strong feelings who they wanna be Wendy Williams out here. Is my loves. Yes, I don't know that young miss with the new mic. The young miss there with the new mic who do live into the little cubicle, my love. I feel like that individual, you know, is the Wendy Williams wannabe. But Lady D, God put you out here for your purpose, Lady D. God put you out here for your purpose. If not just put you out here for run good deeds, my love. Because if you don't look into it for real, you know, my dear children, Lady D are them therapists, you know. Lady D is them therapist and Lady D I keep them going out here. I'm just glad that Lady D is at the place where nothing where them say or do affect her. She can't sit down and laugh after them. Good to know that Lady D is out here keeping them alive. Because who to tell if it wasn't for Lady D? Hungry that KILL, some of them already. Some of them would have kicky bucket already. Some of them would have become bedridden already. All kind of ailments, all kind of sitting would have take over them caca whole long time. So the fact that them can come on their live and have something to talk about and sit down and talk about everything where Lady D do. Sit down and watch out where Lady D do. A therapy for them, man. Yeah, man. You look into it. Look into it and see if you can understand what I say. A therapy for them. Yeah, man. Lady D are them therapists. Yes. Oh, me miss out the part with the golden girls. My loves, who are the golden girl out here? Which one of them out here are part of the golden girl? I wonder for you, uncle. Uncle, are you? Cause as me say already, me can't understand. So no say the woman na affect no in a no way, shape, nor form whatsoever. And when you do go, no bed, no wake up back, we no yai they swell up. You no get up with no yai them puffy. Nah sleep. Somehow we now no bed a ball. You no torment in the bed. When you no get up more time a morning time, you no fever Japanese. You no yai they lock down like a Japanese. Come me a look for you one of them man in there, you know tea lady. You can't say you wash the face. Yes, you wash the face. But your jaw they swell up and your eye puffy me love. You could have barely see how tight a peep your peep out tight. Two of them swell up both top and bottom. And then when the obvious tune, you know, I know say obvious to everybody, you know, come out here can't talk about allergy. Allergy me backside. Allergy me backside. Not a blasted allergy me love. No make them fool, you know, not a allergy. A lady D I do that to them. Anyways, my dear children, you know me and Agnes to really get no rest. We have to go take really a beauty rest because we don't want to wake up with we they locked down like a Japanese. So we have to go get rest, my loves. Anyway, big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. We've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. And I will see you all in another video. Alright, peace out, much love. And remember, if you don't reach yes, I don't know do they do yet, just come back and go do they do for the girl. Alright, yeah man, bless up. Peace out later. Bye bye.